In today's video, we're going to look at how you can combine first names and last names when they're in different columns to create a full name in Excel. So in column A, we've got a list of first names, and then we've got that person's last name in column B. So Shannon Vance, Milo Frazier, John Cook, Ava Atkinson, etc. Now what we want to do is get both of these names in one cell. And I'm going to run through two quick and simple ways you can do this. So first off, what we're going to do with the first example is just enter equals, and then we're going to select the first name, so just move across to cell A2. And then we're going to do an ampersand sign. And what we need to do now is add in the little quotation marks and then put a space. And this is what's going to give us a space between the two names, the first name and the last name, and then do another one. Another quotation mark, and then another and sign, and then we're going to move across to cell B2, and then we're going to hit enter, and you'll see we have our full name there, Shannon Vance, with the space in between. Now to fill all of these down, I can just double click on the little green box there, and you'll see they populate just like that. Now personally, if I was to do something like this, I'd use what's called the concat function. I just find it a little bit quicker to do. So we're going to run through an example of that now. So if we type equals concat, and for this one, you just have to select your first piece of text. So Shannon, then do a comma. Now we still need to add that space in, and then another comma, and then we're going to select Vance in cell B2, hit enter, and we have our name just like that. So they're both very similar. It's probably personal preference which of these two formulas you'd use. Typically I'd use the concat function, but that's just because I'm used to using it. But yeah, really simple to do. And just like before, we can double click here and all of these cells will populate with the first name and last name. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.